Question number 1. It contains the advice of Lord Krishna to Arjun to abandon all dharmas and surrender to God. Only God can set him free from every evil. Option A, Ramayana. Option B, Quran. Option C, Bible. Option D, Bhagavad Gita. The correct answer is option D, Bhagavad Gita. Question number 2. Where is Sanchi is at present? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3. South India was famous for gold and spices, especially dash and dash. Option A, pepper and cardamom. Option B, rice and cardamom. Option C, millets and precious stones. Option D, pepper and precious stones. The correct answer is option D, pepper and precious stones. Question number 4. Single-minded devotion to one God. Option A, Prarthana. Option B, Bhajan. Option C, Bhakti. Option D, pray. The correct answer is option C, Bhakti. Question number 5. Bhakti comes from the Sanskrit term bhaj, meaning option A, to pray. Option B, to borrow. Option C, to divide or share. Option D, to see. The correct answer is option C, to divide or share. Question number 6. Dash is the sacred book of the Hindus. It is a part of the great epic, Mahabharata. Option A, Ramayana. Option B, Geeta. Option C, Vedas. Option D, Bible. The correct answer is option B, Geeta. Question number 7. Which is called black gold in Roman? Option A, black pepper. Option B, black silk. Option C, black stone. Option D, black coal. The correct answer is option A, black pepper. Question number 8. The trade route between China and Western Asia ran through Central Asia. Option A, Silk Route. Option B, Woollen Route. Option C, Jute Route. Option D, Cotton Route. The correct answer is option A, Silk Route. Question number 9. Bhakta comes from the Option A Urdu term. Option B Sanskrit term. Option C English term. Option D Pali term. The correct answer is option B Sanskrit term. Question number 10. Which of the following pilgrims did not come to subcontinent to visit places associated with the life of the Buddha? Option A I Qing. Option B Xuanzang. Option C Fa Xian. Option D Yan Qin. The correct answer is option D Yan Qin.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी तुरंत हमारे इस चैनल लर्न विद ऐप को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाए रखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आपको और कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए हमें कमेंट करके बताएं। इस वीडियो को अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करें और देखें किसको कितना नॉलेज है। मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।